Hello and welcome to the news button. India's bullet train dream is no longer just a dream on paper. It is rapidly becoming a physical reality. But the big question is, when will passengers actually board the first train? The answer is, the first operational service is expected in August 2027, but it will be introduced in phases rather than across the entire Mumbai Ahmedabad corridor at once. The first service is planned for the Surat Bilimora section before operations are progressively extended. The 508-kilometer Mumbai Ahmedabad High-Speed Rail corridor, being implemented by the National High-Speed Rail Corporation, is India's gateway into the world of high-speed rail. And 2026 has brought some impressive engineering milestones. Viaduct construction is advancing rapidly in Gujarat. Major steel bridges are being launched. Track installation has begun, and several stations are taking shape. In Maharashtra, construction has entered some of the project's most technically challenging territory. In June, the project achieved another breakthrough when the third mountain tunnel in Palghar was completed. And beneath Thane Creek, tunneling is progressing on what will become India's first undersea rail tunnel, a 7-kilometer undersea section forming part of the Mumbai approach. But here is the crucial point. August 2027 does not mean that the entire Mumbai-Ahmedabad journey will suddenly become operational. The corridor is being commissioned progressively. The first operational stretch is expected to be Surat-Bilimora, followed by other sections as construction, track, signaling, electrification, and testing are completed. The full corridor is expected to follow later, with current planning pointing to December 2029 for the entire Bikaji-Sabarmati corridor. And when the complete system is operational, the numbers will be remarkable. The corridor will have 12 stations, and the fastest services are expected to connect Mumbai and Ahmedabad in around 2 hours and 7 minutes, with limited stops. And all stop service is expected to take about 2 hours and 58 minutes. But the bullet train is about much more than speed. It is India's opportunity to master an entirely new railway ecosystem. High-speed track engineering, advanced signaling, rolling stock, tunneling, precision construction, and sophisticated maintenance systems. It is also becoming a major Make in India story, with indigenous manufacturing and engineering capabilities growing around the project. So, how soon will India's first bullet train become a reality? The answer is closer than ever. By August 2027, India expects to see its first high-speed train service on a portion of the corridor. And by the end of this decade, the ambition is to connect Mumbai and Ahmedabad through India's first full-fledged high-speed rail corridor. From a project announced years ago to tunnels beneath the sea, giant bridges, elevated viaducts, and high-speed tracks taking shape, India's bullet train era is finally moving from blueprint to reality. The countdown has begun, and 2027 could be the year India finally enters the high-speed rail age. Before leaving, leave your comments in the comment section. And do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.